How to fix laggy or stuttering Discord stream. Let's get started. First, restart Discord as administrator. First, fully close Discord. Open your system tray, right-click on the Discord icon and choose Quit. Now open your Start menu, source for Discord, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes to allow access. Try streaming now to see if the issue is fixed. Next, adjust graphic settings in Windows. Click on the Start menu and search for Graphic Settings. Once it appears, launch it. Now toggle on Reduce Latency and Improve Performance. Restart your PC. If it was already turned on, try toggling it off instead of restart. Sometimes performance improves that way. Next, tweak Discord video settings. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then click on Voice and Video. Scroll down to Advanced section and turn off H.264 hardware acceleration. Try streaming again. If it works, you can return to Settings, re-enable H.264 but disable hardware acceleration only and test again. This helps balance performance depending on your system. Now, go to User Settings, Advanced and turn off hardware acceleration. Click OK, Discord will restart automatically. Now test the stream again. Likewise, open Task Manager. If you don't see anything, click More Details. In the Processes tab, close unnecessary apps, especially heavy ones like Chrome or game launchers. Right-click on them and choose End Task, but only if you know what the app is. Also check the system tray and close any background apps you are not using. If you're watching your own stream in pop-out mode or on a second monitor, close it. Viewing your own stream in real time can cause lag or stuttering, especially on lower-end systems. Next, toggle High Packet Priority and Screen Capture Tech. Go back to Voice and Video settings, scroll down and find Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority. Toggle this on or off depending on your experience. Also try toggling Use an advanced technology to capture your screen. Try streaming after making these changes. Next, disconnect your modem or router for at least 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. A simple reset often improves connection stability for streaming. Now, flush DNS with command prompt. Open Start menu, type CMD, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Now enter each of the following commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each. After all commands finish running, restart your PC and try streaming again. Following these steps should completely fix laggy or choppy Discord stream. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.